Meet Projection, a design-forward display system built to create immersive experiences anywhere. Powered by a 5,000 lumen 4K ultra-short throw projector and an ambient light-rejecting screen, Projection delivers stunning visuals even in daylight. Here's how. Ultra-short throw optics project the image upward from close range. The ambient light-rejecting screen reflects it straight to the viewer, minimizing glare and maximizing clarity. Screens range from 92 to 130 inches. This one's a bold 120. And with a built-in soundbar and subwoofer, or seamless connection to house audio, it's ready to play. Each unit is a blank canvas, fully brandable with custom graphics. We'll design it for you, or you can use our simple templates to make it your own. Optional shelving brings flexibility. Great for product displays, party favors, or decor. Built-in LEDs can match your mood, theme, or brand identity. From panel discussions and trade shows to pop-ups and experiential activations, Projection adapts. Anywhere you use a TV or even an LED wall, it fits right in. Unlike static setups, Projection moves with you. Roll it in, power it up, and you're ready in minutes. No truss, no rigging, no stress. And when space gets tight, the modular cabinet breaks down into 3 sections, built to navigate stairs, small elevators, and narrow entries with ease. Projection, all in one, one of a kind, and made for moments that move.